If you're looking for the perfect country place to live, loaded with oak trees, you need to come out and take a look at the ranches at Century Oaks. Hi, I'm Bryce Keever, Vice President of Lone Star Land Partners. Hop in and let's go explore this beautiful ranch together. As you can see, the ranches at Century Oaks not only has hundreds of oak trees, it also has some of the best views in the hill country. The properties out here are going to range from 5 to 10 acres in size. We're going to be running utilities out here for you. There's no need to drill a water well out here. The location is perfect. It's about 10 minutes north of Brownwood, Texas. And Brownwood has everything you could ever want in a community. All the restaurants, shopping, hospitals. You don't have to go to a big city for anything. It is a low cost of living out here. The tax rate's favorable for sure. You can build a lot bigger house and save money on your taxes, but you don't sacrifice the amenities like people normally do when they move to the country. There's ponds, creeks, tons of deer. There's lots of birds. You can sit on your back porch, enjoy the view, enjoy the wildlife. There's lots of recreation in this area. You have Lake Brownwood, Lake Proctor's not too far from here. It's absolutely stunning out here at night, tons of stars. We understand the consumer has lots of options when it comes to buying a piece of acreage property. At National Land Partners, we do all the homework for you. We make sure there's adequate water on the property, that we're following the guidelines set by the county and the state. We want to take the extra steps necessary to make you feel totally comfortable with the property that you're buying. It's a buy now, build ready program for you, so you can come out, secure your property, and build something when you're ready. If you're looking for the perfect country place to live, loaded with oak trees, you're going to love it when you come out here and take a look at the ranches at Century Oaks. So call for your personal tour.